None. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are all welcome. If today is your first time on this channel, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun as usual. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos each time I upload. You are just amazing. Before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. So in today's video, we are going to talk about colors in Igbo language, okay? Colors translates Agwa in Igbo language. Colors translates Agwa in Igbo language. But when it becomes a question, you hear na-acha. For instance, you hear Kedi ife oche na-acha. What is the color of this seat? Na-acha. Yes. Bear in mind that color means Agwa in Igbo language. So let's start. The first on our list today is rainbow. Rainbow. Eke na eguruguru. Eke na eguruguru. Rainbow. Eke na eguruguru. Eke na eguruguru. Okay? The second one is OG, black. OG, color black. OG, black color. We have Oche OG. Oche OG, the black seat, the black chair. Oche OG. The next one, we have white. Ocha. Ocha, white color. Okuko ocha, white chicken. White chicken. The third one, we have blue color. Anono anono. Anono. Color blue. The blue dress. Aqua anono. The next one, we have red. Meme or obala obala. Okumeme, red cap. The next one, we have color green. Akwụkwọ akwụkwọ. Una na-acha akwụkwọ. That house is green in color. Now we move to ash or gray. In Igbo, we say ntonto, ash. Ọ na-acha ntonto. Akpa na-acha ntonto. It means the bag is ash in color or gray in color. Akpa na-acha ntonto. Akpa na-acha ntonto. So ntonto for ash or gray. The next one, we have yellow, color yellow. Edo edo. Edo edo. Ọ na-acha edo edo. Ọ na-acha edo edo. It is yellow in color. So, yellow simply means edo edo in Igbo language. The next one is color brown. Color brown. You either say nchala nchala, nchala nchala, or ulo, or aja aja. Aja aja. Nchala simply means a rusty something. We all know when something gets rusty, we all know it turns brown. Then we have the ulo has to do with clay, and the ajaja, sand. That is where we got the brown color from. So for the brown, we have nchala nchala, ulo, or ajaja. Either of the three is correct, okay? Very good. Now we move to purple. Ododo. Ododo. You know purple, that's violet. Yes. Ododo. Purple. Ododo. Okay? Very good. Now the next one is gold. The gold color. Oledo. Olaedo. Oledo. Okay? The gold bracelet. Ngwaka. Oledo. Ngwaka is the bracelet. Then Oledo, gold. Mgbaka Oledo, the gold bracelet. The next one is Ola Ocha. Ola Ocha. Silver spoon, Ngaji. Ola Ocha. Ngaji. Spoon. Ola Ocha. Silver. If you're observant, you discover that all these listed items came before the colors, unlike the English language, where the colors come before the items. Okay? Let me give you an example to understand what I'm saying. For example, we have Agwa, Ocha, white bag, not bag white. Opu, Mmemme, red cup. Oche, Oji, the black chair. Very good. While making sentences with color in Igbo language, it is very important for you to know that is means di or nacha in Igbo language for all the colors except for the black color. Akpa nacha meme. The bag is red. The bag is nacha meme. Akpa nacha meme. The bag is red. Or you can also say akpa di ocha. Akpa di ocha. The bag is white. Akpa di ocha. But when you make sentences with the black color, is becomes na eji or di. Na eji or di. For example, ocha neji oji. This seat is black. This chair is black. Ocha neji oji or ocha di oji. Ocha di oji, di oji. Okay? In Igbo language, the or that means aun. Aun. The or that means aun. Aun. Normally in English, you hear statements like the bag is beautiful, the bag. But in Igbo language, instead of saying the bag, the item comes before the akpa aun, akpa aun, and not aun akpa, akpa aun. That is in Igbo language. The same goes to that book. Akwụkwọ ahụ, not ahụ akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ ahụ and not ahụ akwụkwọ. So the item before the or that. Okay? Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. I trust you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay,